Hi everybody, Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's cooking. I'm glad you dropped in. We're sort of snowed in. We're in that terrible snowstorm, but so I'm cooking a little bit this week. I think I've told you before, I'm not a breakfast person. I usually have my grapefruit and coffee and a toast, and that's it. Unless somebody takes me out, to breakfast, then I'm sort of enjoyed it that way. But with my diet, I have to have eggs. And so I do try to work eggs in during the week. And my favorite way to do it is an egg omelet for lunch. I do like it that way. And so that's what, it's lunchtime, so I'm going to make an egg omelet. But it's going to be a quiche. Most men think quiche or sissy. But it's an egg omelet and with a crust. That's all it is. So if you have someone who thinks quiche is girly, say it's an egg omelet with a crust. And now I have got my stove set on 375. I do cook my pie crust about 6 minutes or 6 or 8 minutes on 350 just to dry it out a little bit, because I think it just makes, when the crust comes out, it's crispier for me. So this is so easy. I've got onions, tomatoes, and peppers. You can put anything you want to. And we're going to put a little bit of cheese in it. A lot of people put meat, ham. I don't like it that way, but that's me. But ham's good in it. Bacon, that's been fried, get sausage is good in it. But this is my preference. So try to make this because it's so easy, and put anything you want to in it. Start off with 3 eggs. On this particular recipe, I use 3 eggs. This is 3. And for 3 eggs, you use the rest where you'll fill it up with milk to 2 cups. So it's 2 cups of milk, but you put your eggs in first so that they can decide how much milk you're going to use. I'm just using skim milk. That's what I buy. I would say it's better with cream, but we're going to use skim milk today. Okay. Sort of break them up a little bit. I love tomatoes in quiche. It's just one of those odd things, I guess, but I do like tomatoes in quiche. And we're going to call this tomato and pepper quiche. How about that? Or egg omelet quiche. Now you can put any kind of cheese you want to in it, and as much as you want to in it. Today I'm using mozzarella because I'm overwhelmed with mozzarella. I love Colby and pepper jack too. So I'm putting about a 1/2 cup. I'm using just salt. Sometimes I like to put pepper after I cook it. Okay, we're ready. And this is a deep dish, and I think I'm going to have too much with that. So what I'm going to do is I'll make a little. That is a deep dish. I don't know. People surprise you anymore because it always fits with a deep. It looks like a deep dish to me. Well, anyway, yeah, I'm gonna put it in the oven, and when we come back, it usually takes about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and we'll be back then. Hi everyone, we're back. I took my pie out, or my quiche out, and I've let it set for about 5 minutes. It really is better to let it set for 10, 15 minutes to settle, but I know you don't want to wait that long. So. Oh, and you know the little bit I had left over, I put it in a little cup, and I don't know, I must have looked at, because it always works. But some days nothing works, so this was one of those days. My little dog loves eggs, so that'll be her supper tonight. It's a little bit hot right now, so I'm helping it along a little bit. And it's my lunchtime, so this is perfect today. Like I said, it's best if you wait a little while, but the first piece is always harder on any pie, isn't it? Here it comes. And actually, I will eat half of this and then save half of it for tomorrow or late tonight because there's not much in it. And just think of the good things that's in it. It's got your cheese, your milk, and your eggs. It's a good, healthy meal. And you can have it, of course, breakfast is good, but I don't, and I have eaten it for breakfast. It's just not my thing right now. Anyway, I hope you tried it because it's an easy thing. Sometimes I make it look hard, but it isn't. Take care of yourself. Go make some quiche. See you soon. Stay healthy, warm, and pray for the people that are suffering. Remember the joy. Bye.